Krisjan? What'd you do? Did you get the milk out? You didn't? It's not a toy. Here, you gonna put it back up because we don't drink out of the milk jug? Oh! See? Uh-oh. Did you make a mess?
Yeah. I did, baby.
What?
Yeah.
What?
I'll pull my cup. I'm going to. You're not listening.
What are you doing? Be gentle. Show mommy. Okay. All right. Be gentle.
I did it.
You did.
I did it. I did it.
Okay. Let's put it back in the refrigerator. But we don't drink out of the jug, do we?
No. I did it.
Good job.
I did it. I did it.
I know. Now we have to clean up your mess, huh? Okay.